Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. So previous few sessions were successful. You can see market has reached an area around 105, 106. On the monthly chart, we have very small changes. So actually, after market has completed the first target around 87, which was the OP AB equals city of this all-time ABCD pattern, it was obvious conclusion that market will keep going higher, just because even from the technical point of view, you could see what's going on. So here is fast acceleration compares to the AB leg, which is in most cases suggests that market should reach XLP, which is 1618 extension, and it stands around 127. So probably market will take a few months to reach it, and so with some discount. So holidays that we will have, some pause on the moment of the Donald Trump inauguration, and some other stuff. But and besides, as you can see, market still stands around overbought, so it could throw around the previous top. But upside, the speed of the upside potential now is limited, so it can't show some significant acceleration. At the same time, some bullish signs have been formed as well. So, for instance, on a weekly chart, you could see what's happening. So markets just keep going higher here, and the thrusting action that we have here still looks really attractive, and with any more or less meaningful pullback here, we will be watching for momentum trade. Well, it will take the shape of the Brent bottom by the Jordan framework, or it will be just simple retracement down here, and it doesn't matter. Actually, momentum stands great, and we will use it anyway. But as you can see, smallest changes stands on the lower time frames. On the monthly and weekly, we don't have a lot of things. So on the daily chart, last time, if you remember, we talked about the high wave pattern, and we said that next direction will be set in a direction with the breakout of the high wave. So if market will break it to the upside, upward continuation seems more probable. And you can see that this has happened. So market has closed above the top of the high wave and keep going higher. Now it's almost has touched the upper border of this channel. So this tendency remains intact. Currently, you can see daily trend has turned bullish by the MACD indicator. So here as we have nothing to complain, actually context remains bullish. So from the overbought reversal, you also could see that overbought stands significantly higher around 110 area. So except maybe this trend line, market has no big barriers on the way to the upside. So from that standpoint of view, it could keep going higher based on picture on the daily chart. Meantime, on lower time frames, on the 4-day frame chart, if you remember, we talked about this potential butterfly, and it works really perfect. So the bullish setup that we discussed last time, you can see shows well performance. Here, as you can see, the target has not been reached yet, so market should move slightly higher, somewhere to 107.25 area, actually to complete the butterfly target. Next target based on this picture will be 1618 butterfly. It stands right here around 111.28. Speaking definitely. So this is the next destination point if market will show the immediate upside breakout. But since it is moving inside of the channel, here's some reaction down also is possible once market will complete the butterfly target. The same we could say about the hand and shoulders that we discussed last time. So you can see it also worked really perfect. It's minor retracement. Last time we started our discussion right at this point. So we said watch for a pullback here, market should form the right arm. So that has happened. And now with this upside action, target stands 107.50. It's very close to the butterfly target on the 4-day frame chart. So once this area around 107.50, 107.25 will be completed, naturally it should be some pullback. So this will be absolutely normal for market performance, especially if we take into consideration the trend line that we have in the same point. And once this target will be completed and pullback starts, we could start watching for it and thinking about possible taking a long position once again. It also will be interesting to see how deep it will be. So, for instance, if market will turn up earlier than it will reach the lower border, that might be the sign of the bullish power. So usually when the market doesn't move down to the opposite border of the channel and showing early reversal, is always treated as a bullish sign. In this case, our prediction could start slightly earlier, but at the same time we should wait at least for the 30% retracement. Supposedly it will be somewhere around 104. And just because this actually, by the way, this will be also the previous step, just because this is the minimum reaction on the butterflies. And hand and shoulders OP target also seems important. This is big ABCD pattern here. So a 30% retracement, it's also absolutely normal. So that's our plan for now. So we're watching for a completion of this upside target around 107.25, 107.50. Then next step there, by the way, if you have longs on taking on intraday charts, so you could think about closing them or just tight your stops or do something to manage your position. Then the next step will be watching for pullback that we intend to use for possible long entry, supposedly starting from the 104 or some lower levels, depending on how retracement will develop. So that towards our scenario and strategy for the nearest few sessions.